The war has began against the military, the Russians, and everybody. I'm Corporal Malloy. This is Sergeant Nasby. We are going to kill some Russians today. Okay, see any?
I see one.
You do?
Ready?
Okay, got him.
Remember, there's a...
Get down!
Grenade! Boom!
There he is! He's getting away in the car!
Grenade! Over the house! Boom!
Oh! He got away.
Don't hit the house.
Wait, how did that?
Watch out!
Go, go!
He's hit.
Okay.
I see something.
What do you see?
Shoot him.
Okay.
Boom! Take him down!
You're getting away! Ah, it's out of reach.
We're being shot out! Go, go, go!
Okay, get over here.
Cover back here. Where are we going now? Gee, whoa. Excuse me. Hold up.
What is that? What was that?
You walk up.
Whoa, what was that? It looks like a...
Move up, move up. Where?
Don't see anything. Don't see anything, Sergeant. Wait, might be a thing behind this bush. Shot him. Yeah! Oh, you good? My dang legs, goodness. Yeah. It's in my leg.
I'll take your leg off.
What? Put a new one on, please. Thank
It's a
you.
metal leg. You get shot in it again.
It just ricochet.
I'm going. Alright, let's find out a plan.
Come.
So,
What's that noise? Here, car. He came back. Hey, dude. I see the car that we were trying to kill.
Cool.
Okay, let's go over there.
Wait, we gotta figure out our plan. Alright, so these acorns are gonna be the enemies. Alright.
Okay. Then at least they're gonna be us. Here, set them right here.
There's always 3 people over here.
Okay.
By the White House over there. There's gonna be 1 guard right here, which is right there. And then there's gonna be an ambush team up here. So we're gonna have to sneak around them
Somehow.
So what we're
Like-
gonna do? We're gonna sneak in the middle, like when they're not looking. Wait, get it up. All right. So here, this is gonna be me,
Okay, this is gonna be me. So,
and then I turn right here.
so we have to get ghillie suits on.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go right here, turn,
And then I'll go like this.
Yeah, and then you'll go the other way, and then we'll both be on separate sides, and we'll be shooting at them.
Yep.
So let's do that. Ready?
Okay. Okay.
So follow the plan. We both go in the middle.
Okay. This way?
Go safety. Yeah, go.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Go.
Okay.
That was cool.
Well, those Russians don't need to live in this world.
Wait, I see one behind the trash can. He's crawling. He's dead.
Okay.
Man, hard day, huh?
Very hard.
We gotta get some sleep.
2 hours later. Oh. You okay, man? Oh. Hey, where's our guns? Where's our guns?
What?
Where's our guns? He took
Guns
them.
right. What the? Where did they go?
I don't know.
My gun was right there.
Yeah.
Russians.
Well, we just have to search. They must have hid him in somewhere. Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah. Here, let's go.
The Russian base is over there, so we should. Well, the Russian base is actually over here, so let's move over here.
Okay. By this house.
So it's in that gate. They gotta hide us.
Yeah. Okay. Let's look.
Hey, we're on your camp. Come on, I'll put it.
Huh.
Those are cams, so this is bad. Look, where'd they go? Where'd that Russians even go? I only saw one of them.
Yeah. This place is dead land.
Oh my gosh.
Look! Enemies!
We need your help, we need your help. Americans are coming. They're coming. Alright, there's two guns. There's two guns in that bush. Awesome. Oh, there are. That's awesome. Kill him! He's dead.
Dude! Look!
What?